So now from a mobile device, as long as I have Wi-Fi access from my device, I can provide some credentials. Based on the credentials, I'll get a listing of the displays that I have control over. In this case, we have two different displays labeled left and right. They can be labeled anything you want. So if I pick the left screen, these are now all the functions that I have. Some of these we showed you before. So I can change channel. It's going to give me a channel lineup. I can pick Bloomberg, and now on the display the channel will have changed to Bloomberg. If I pick ESPN2, or maybe I pick the Discovery Channel, all those changes are made from my mobile device. So that's the first thing I can do, is basically change my channel. Just as before, I can remove all my branding, and now I go into a full screen mode, or exit that full screen mode. I have the ability to turn on my subtitles or closed captions, and if this channel has closed caption content, that will appear. And when I'm ready, I can basically remove those subtitles, closed captions. And then some of the other features that I can provide from this application, the ability to send a simple text message. So I can call up an existing or predefined message, and then I can send it. And on the screen you'll see that that message has appeared. If I change the message to Mr. Jones, that will now appear. Or I can call up my keypad and edit that message. Now that message appears. When I'm ready to remove the message, it will disappear. So that's a simple way for a user to graphically present a message on the display. If I want something that's much more visual and catches the viewer's attention, I can pick from an existing list of alerts. So maybe it's a weather alert, or maybe it's a fire drill, or maybe we've got a company meeting that we're trying to get everybody to a single place. So this can all be driven manually from this interface. The system does have a full API for control by a third party, and also has a built-in scheduler. So I'm going to go in and remove that alert from the screen. And then what we can also do is demonstrate some of the different templates, different looks and feels that we can provide. So I can also change the template, and that will change the look and feel of the display. Now I have different background, maybe slightly different weather appearance, and this is pulling in data feed showing RSS information on the New York transportation. If I select a full screen version of this template, it will remove video completely. Maybe this is a template that you want to show up at a particular time. And as I select different templates, this is a very graphical, maybe showing my logo or color scheme or company information. In some cases, clients might want to overlay some of their graphics on top of the video that we see with the read here. And in some cases, users might want to just have a full screen implementation with no logoing, no messaging. Maybe you want to watch a sports game or a particular program, or maybe you want a version which is very, very light branding, just date and time in the bottom left and company information in the top right. So again, to demonstrate the capability of the system, if I select all my endpoints, and then I also want to maybe turn the TVs off. If the display supports CEC, I'm ready to turn the TV back on again or turn the display on.